Hi guys, I'm Alex, and today I'm going to show you how I made my Chloe Price wig. So, if you want to see how I made this into this, continue watching the video. So, this is a wig I'm using. As you can see, it's a pretty cheap Halloween wig. It's not very good. I am just putting on my beanie to see where I need to part it and style it, and just generally how I work with it. To style the wig, you'll need this colored hair wax. You can find it pretty cheap on eBay in blue and purple. Some scissors and some hairspray. To start off, you will need to put the wig on your head. It's a personal preference of mine, but I can just, like, when I'm styling my wigs on my head, I can see how they work out with my face shape. And I am just cutting random pieces in an up and down motion. Make sure to have some reference picture nearby to see what you're supposed to do. And as you can see, I'm just thinning out the wig and making it look more natural. Sorry, I cannot speak today, and voiceovers are hard. Yeah. So I'm just trying to thin out the bangs to make them look a bit more natural, and I am putting in the wiggy beanie on again to see where I need to style it more. And I am just cutting the bangs with the beanie to again see how it all works out. Now, as you can see, these little side things, they need to be more straight, unlike Chloe. They need to be straight, so I'm just spraying them and twisting them until I am happy with the shape. And I'm just playing around with the wig to see where I need to part it and style it more, and yeah. Again, taking some random pieces to make it look more natural. Some more spray. And now, ignore that part because I am supposed to dye the wig. Yeah, before that, I try to take some random pieces to make it look a bit more like Chloe's hair. Now, I am going to make the wig actually in the right color. I'm taking some of the wax, just putting it on my hands and smearing it around the wig. I don't know, it's just how you're supposed to do it, I guess. It's very good for wigs because it both dyes the wig and styles it, and it washes out, so you can also like color a white wig, I think, and it won't stay. I think. Don't trust me on that. I've only ever tried it on this wig and my own hair. And yeah, I'm just randomly smearing it around the wig to see where it needs to be. And it also helps to make the hair look a bit more like video gamey, like Chloe's hair. This part is really fun, so look out for that. And it's very messy. And I'm taking more wax and just smear it around the wig until you are happy with the color. Now, for the roots, you will need the same brand of the hair wax, just in purple. And just, again, smear it around and apply it however you want. And try to blend it in with the blue to make it look a bit more like Chloe's hair. Now I'm taking a tiny bit of the purple on my finger and applying it sort of under the hair. And just apply more purple until you are happy with it. Now I'm putting on my beanie again. English is so hard, damn it. Yeah, I'm putting on my beanie again to see where I need to color it more and how to style it, just playing around with the wig. Okay, now I am cutting the tiny pieces like Chloe's hair, and just taking small pieces and cutting them and twisting them and spraying them to make them sort of stick out and look more natural. I'm trimming the side things a bit more and spraying it to make the wig hold its shape a bit better. And I'm just thinning out the sides of the wig and the back so it'll look a bit more like Chloe's hair. And I am just spraying the back to like give it more of a shape. And now I'm using this purple eyeshadow and just smearing it around the roots to make it more multicolored. I don't know, you look at a reference picture of Chloe and see how you want to do it. And putting some of that eyeshadow again on the bangs. And just play around with it until you're happy with how your wig looks. And that's... Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go subscribe right here, I'm going to put it right here because of editing. Bye!